All right, we are going to set up the air compressor. Going to hook up some new fittings. Hopefully I bought the correct ones, otherwise I'll have to return them or exchange them for the proper ones and get all the tools set up for, I should probably stop shaking the camera. It's a bad habit I have because I talk with my hands. But set up everything so tomorrow I can hopefully remove the rest of that linoleum on the floor so I can put the new stuff down and make it look a little better. And yeah, so we're gonna get that ready and then we'll see what I do after that. Alright, today sucks. If you've seen any of my other social medias, you'll see what happened last night. I'll show you now. I am at a body shop, Ada Body Shop, local one. I've never had body work done, so I don't really have a place to go. And I'm not a body guy. And I figured because this truck is on a loan, I should probably get it fixed. Don't know. Yeah, you can see that. It's pretty messed up. Luckily, the tire doesn't seem to be damaged or any of that other stuff. It is low because it's got a leak. I don't like these rims. But anyways, we're gonna go inside, see what's the deal. Alright, finally found my tripod holder, handy thing. So, since it's a nice day out and fuel gauge still does not work, my uncle, who's fairly good with electronics and has all sorts of little doodads, he's going to come over and help me try and figure this out. And maybe I'll try and figure out my fog lights as well. What I was reading though is it's a ground issue. As you can see here, this ground wire is broken. So we'll see. And then I also found out, I'm not sure if you can see here because it's really bright outside, but the fuel hose is kinked still, and I found out that was my fault. I ordered the wrong one, the wrong kit, so I'm gonna have to reorder that. So that's not so bad, but let's get to work. Gotta get in the garage, get my jack, get this stuff done. Alrighty! So, couldn't get the fuel level gas gauge working, gave up on that. I'm gonna have to look up a wiring diagram. So, now we're on to a new thing. Air hammer time. Ooh, leaking my oil out. Not cool. So, we're gonna try this one first. See how well it works. It's more solid compared to that one. And there's the old compressor. She's a loud one. So, we're gonna get this hooked up and start going. Alright, this only took a few minutes. I kind of broke the hammer, but that's alright. I just used that chisel that was on there. You can see the little lines. That worked so good. And really, I have to get rid of all this black crap up to, but I'm not going to because really, if I really want to get down to it, the whole board needs to get replaced along the edge because it's really bad. But I got to do some measuring, find out how far out I can go with that piece, and somewhere around here. And I'll make a line, and then I'll cut, sweep, mop, make it really nice and clean. Cut the other piece, put it in place. It'll be awesome. So, that's going to be it for now. We'll be back another day. Peace out, and keep attempting new things.